guys to Technical Gorkhali, and today I'm gonna be talking how you can get 4,000 hour watch time quickly. So since YouTube has created a new monetization policy that your channel should have 10,000 views, minimum 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 hour watch time for monetizing your YouTube videos. So some of the 5 tips are as follows.
The first thing you can do to increase the accumulated watch time on your channel is you can add cards right before the drop-off points when you look inside of your view retention statistics. It also helps if you add playlists right before the repetitive end screen that comes up that your regular viewers are used to seeing. And of course, it only makes sense to do it in logical places throughout the rest of the video as well. Number 2, use branded thumbnails. The idea behind this is you want your content to be extremely easy to recognize no matter where it pops up inside of the YouTube platform. It doesn't matter if it's a suggested video, it doesn't matter if it's a recommended video, it doesn't matter if you're popping up on a homepage. You want your viewers to quickly and easily be able to identify your content if they like your content, because that way they can easily come in and watch more of it. The basic idea here is you want people to easily be able to recognize your stuff, because if they like it, they're going to click on it. And if they can recognize your thumbnails at a glance, regardless of what your title says, regardless of what the video is about, if they can recognize that it's yours, the people that are into your stuff are more likely to click on your video and watch it, which is going to help you accumulate more watch time. When I work with clients, this is one of the first things that we actually tackle on a channel because it's extremely important. If your thumbnails are a mess, if all of your branding is a mess and people can't easily recognize what is yours, then it's going to cost you views. It's going to cost you watch time. So it's extremely important that you get this stuff in order. If you don't know how to do any of this stuff, or you don't know how to really put it all together, then I can hook you up at Tuber Tools. I'll put a link to that down in the description below. Number 3, use playlists effectively. The reason for this is statistically people watch more of your content if it's structured into playlists. Link to them in your end screens. Add recommended playlists to your video descriptions. Of course, try to make them relevant so all of your content matches up. So let's say that you make fishing videos and you just put up a video about how to catch carp, then maybe your recommended video playlist would be, hey, check out these other ways that I put together on how to catch carp. So, you keep it all relevant. Add playlists to cards. If you really want to take this a step further, you can even add a playlist, recommended playlist. Hey, make sure you check out this playlist in a pinned comment in your comment section as well. So at the very top of your comment section, somebody watches your video, they go down to make a comment, they see your playlist there, and they say, oh, more carp videos, I'm totally interested in that. I'm going to click on that, and then they're stuck in your trap of watching carp videos. The big idea behind that is this. YouTube says, if viewers watch your videos beyond the first click, those videos are likely to be suggested more often. No idea what number I'm on, but when you link to your video from an external source, try to use playlists when you can. Create series playlists when you're putting playlists together, and when you do that, you're going to increase the likelihood of those videos showing up in related search. Check this out. YouTube says adding a video to a series playlist allows other videos in the playlist to be featured and recommended when someone is viewing a video in that series playlist. I'm not making this stuff up. It's not theory. It's not what I think will work. This is stuff that YouTube specifically tells us how their system works and how we can use it to our advantage to get more watch time. Because ultimately, we're keeping people on their platform. And this is for the people that were watching this being recorded on Instagram. Another thing that you can do to increase the watch time on your channel is you can refer to other videos in your video. So let's say, for example, you are talking about a specific topic and you've already made a video that in some way relates to that topic. As long as you're doing speaking videos, you can say, I made this particular video about this. If that's something you'd be interested in, then head over there and check out this video as well. And of course, you can do it in other ways by saying something like, hey, this is the second part of this video. Make sure that you watch the first part before you watch this entire video. You can do that by clicking here. Another thing that you can do to increase the watch time on your channel is you can actually reply to comments in your videos with video links. This is extremely handy if you have a how-to channel or just any type of channel where you're actually showing people how to do things. If somebody asks you a question and you've already made a video about it, instead of just giving them the answer in the comment, you can say, hey, I made a video about this. Go and check it out. As a matter of fact, to take full advantage of the huge amount of spam comments that I get, I just recently made a video that's going to be live here within the next couple of days as an unlisted video for spammers. Basically, in that video, every time they leave me a spam comment, I'm just going to go and I'm going to start start dropping links to this video so that I can get their watch time from that particular video. And all it is just explaining to them the reasons that they shouldn't be doing sub for sub, the reason that they shouldn't be dropping their channel links in people's comments and things like that. So, you know, that's another way.